Good afternoon. My name is Sridhar. It's very pleasure for me to be in front of you through web technology. I'm using a web technology called Zoom, which is a very amazing tool, and I've been able to conduct various meetings, various deals, various interviews only through this kind of technology, and I've been able to successfully complete a couple of selection of candidates, couple of good deals, and couple of wonderful services that I've been able to give free of cost to many people. And there are a lot of requests which keeps coming to me through Facebook and WhatsApp to me, and appreciating the kind of work that I have been doing. Thank you very much for all of you. I thought that we should effectively use this technology and connect with each other. All along, I've noticed one problem in Facebook and other social media, that there are a lot of strangers who want to connect with us, and they send a friend request, and after accepting the friend request, it's just that's it about it. They are just waiting for some postings to happen, or we don't interact at all. There are no messages coming, there are no interactions happening, there are no telephone calls happening, and we don't meet at all. So to all of them, I just want to tell that it is one of the best ways to keep in touch with each other. In fact, you are seeing this particular website. I've been able to show this to you, all of you. I am into multiple things. I take care of this self-treatment program on one side, and I run a trust called No Hungry Child. These two are absolutely a social service that I'm doing. There is no commercial benefits that I'm looking at both these aspects. And for my livelihood, I'm into working with VIP Housing and Properties as one of the 42 directors of this company. This company is a very big company. It's a 6,000 crore real estate developer company, and we sell plots. About 12,000 people are working, and 42 directors are there. I am one of the directors. We have got about 15 branches all over Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Pondicherry, and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, I am located at Bangalore Koramangala branch, and this is my bread and butter. And the other two are the services that I have been doing for quite a long time. No Hungry Child is a charitable trust which I started in the year 2009. And from then onwards, I have been carrying on this. God willing, I will continue to do this forever as long as I can. And I have a dream vision of ensuring that no child in India should go to bed hungry. Just briefly, I will touch on this subject, that there are about 7,000 children who are dying every day due to hunger. This is the statistics given by Google. So that touched my heart, and then this is not possible to achieve without the help and support of NGOs, various NGOs who have come forward, and they are all like-minded people like me. They liked my program, and they have shown interest in implementing this program in their respective cities. Okay, the next activity that I'm doing is the art of self-treatment. The very word says that you can treat yourself yourself. You don't have to go to a doctor. By the way, let me tell you that I am not a doctor, but I have learned certain techniques from one Mr. Healer Bhaskar, who is in Coimbatore, and he happens to be my guru. And I followed his techniques and found that it has done a great help to me and my family members. Okay, I will just quickly show you, what kind of transformation has happened to my son, who had a skin problem earlier. Just a minute, I'll just go to the home. Yes, home page. Here, if you see, this was my son before the treatment was given to him. How he is looking, you can see here. He had a lot of pimples, acne, and all across his face. And after the treatment was given, what is the treatment? Self-treatment only. There is no medicine or any injections being given, something. And he followed the treatment given to him, and see how he looks here. Now, I'm happy to tell you that he is looking very handsome right now, and he is just about 22 years old. And this problem he faced when he was 20 years old. And within a span of just about 2 months or 3 months time, he was able to correct himself and come to this kind of shape. So these are some good things that have happened to my family. And after having tasted this success, I thought of preaching it to the general public. In fact, for almost about 8 to 9 years, I have been having sugar tablet. I'm a diabetes by. I have been advised to have a sugar tablet every day throughout my life. This is what doctor's advice was. But after I followed Healer Basket technique, I was convinced that this is not required. And very next day, I have given up. And now 2 years have passed by. After giving up the sugar tablet, I am touch wood, hale and healthy, and I don't have any kind of sugar problem. I eat sweets. I'm very happy to eat sweets now. Earlier, for almost 7 years, I was deprived of touching any sweets. Whenever I see sweets, I get the craving, but I could not touch it because there was always a fear that if I have that sweet, something will happen to me. So I had to stop that. So now you see, for the last 2 years, I am not having tablets, but I am lavishly having all kinds of sweets, and whatever I feel like having, I feel like having. I don't, compromise on anything, any such things, and I am perfectly all right. There's absolutely no problem. So there must be something that I have learned that is making me give this kind of confidence, isn't it? So that is what I would like to teach all of you. If you see, all the internal problems that we have can be cured ourselves. We don't have to worry about it. For example, supposing you have sugar, blood pressure, thyroid, hair falling, you have got white hair, dandruff on sore head, and headache, all diseases related to the eyes. Nearsightedness, farsightedness, cataract, glaucoma, sinus, sneezing, cough, running nose, nose blocking, stammering, babbling, saliva not secreted, heart valve contraction and expansion, migraine problems, gas trouble, jaundice, hernia, gallbladder stone, urinary bladder stone, kidney stone, menopause related problems, stomach ache, chest ache, facial paralysis, joint and knee problems, in fact, including severe diseases like cancer and AIDS and elephantiasis. All this can be cured without going to the doctor. Believe me, it is possible. So let me take some example. I am throwing a challenge to some of you, who are wanting to bring some change in your health. If you are very fat, right? Maybe you're weighing overweight, more than 90 kilos or more than 100 kilos or something like that, and you want to bring it down to something like about 65 or 70 kilos, right? Approach me. I will cure you in about 3 months' time without having to take any medicines. Don't take any medicines at all. But you just follow the techniques and guidance that I tell you, and I will assure you that within 3 months, you will be able to bring down your weight, right? And you want to put on weight, right? And let's say that you should be ideally about 60-65 kilos, but you are weighing today at about 45 or 50, and you want to increase that 10 or 15 kilos extra, right? By having a lot of food or by doing some a gymnasium and all those things, right? You approach me, and I will guarantee you that within 3 months' time, your weight will increase. Okay? You don't have to come and physically meet me. We can get in touch with each other through the web technology. I will tell you how to sign up and then join the web meeting. And I will keep conducting classes regularly, and you keep attending those classes from the comfort of your home or office at the time specified by me. And I can assure you that you will become perfectly all right. Okay. If there are any other specific problems, right, please get in touch with me. I'll be able to cure your problems. Now, I am not telling you that, I am a doctor and I'm going to cure you. I'm not a doctor, right? I am an ordinary citizen of India, but I am a follower of Healer Bhaskar, who happens to be my guru. Through him, I have learned wonderful techniques, and that technique is what I'm going to pass it on. he himself is doing a great, phenomenal job of spreading, this kind of techniques to as many people as possible. He is doing from his side. Now, being his follower, he has given me the permission to spread this news to as many people as possible. Not only me, to anybody who comes and attends this program. He is allowing everyone to go and spread the news, spread the techniques to many people, so that large sections of society get benefited out of it. Okay, so trust me and get in touch with me as early as possible, whether you have a problem or you don't have a problem. If you don't have a problem, but you see some of your friends, relatives are having problems, right? Then guide them to get in touch with me. Sridhar, and I live in JP Nagar, Bangalore. My mobile number is 8553015850. My email ID is gvsridhar171@gmail.com. I am available in Facebook, then LinkedIn. These are the two popular, social media sites that I am into. And you can approach me anytime during the day, after the office hours also. I'm available for your service. I'm doing it with a passion. I don't have any commercial interest in this. However, whatever service that I'm giving you, if you are happy with that kind of service and if you're seeing some progress, I just want you to donate whatever you can for this program that I'm doing already. Okay. So I hope you've gone through this video, and I'm sure that you must have got impressed with this kind of documentary that has been shown, but this is reality. More than the appreciation that I'm looking for your concern on this, grave cause where 7,000 children are dying every day. I hope you will get associated with me as early as possible. Thank you so much.